Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to get your WooCommerce products listed on Google Shopping? In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to connect WooCommerce to Google Merchant Center, so you can start showing up in Google search results and boost sales. No coding needed. Before we begin, make sure you have this ready: a WordPress site. Go to WordPress and log into your account. With a WordPress site with WooCommerce installed, a Google account, a Google Merchant Center account, your WooCommerce products set up with images, prices, and SKUs. A plugin like Google Listings and Ads or Product Feed Pro for WooCommerce. All right, let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Plugins section. Search for Google Listing and Ads. Or Google for WooCommerce. Click on it and install, then activate it. This plugin helps sync your WooCommerce store directly to Google Merchant Center and Google Ads. Once activated, the setup wizard will launch. Click Connect to your Google account and sign in. Then choose your Google Merchant Center account. Google Ads account, optional for running paid ads. Country and language. Shipping settings, important for approval. Make sure all information matches what's in your store. Next, the plugin will ask you to sync your products. Choose which products you want to list. Make sure your products have a valid GTIN, brand, and proper descriptions. Then click Sync Products. This creates a product feed that sends your items to the Merchant Center. Now, go to Merchant Center.google.com or search for Google Merchant. And click the Google Merchant Center link. Once inside, click Products, then All Products to see if your item have synced. If it may take a few hours for Google to review and approve them. If there are any issues like missing GTINs, or invalid images, you will see error under diagnostics. Fix those in WooCommerce and resync. Now enable Google free listings. Want your products to show up for free in Google Shopping results in Merchant Center? Go to Growth. Then Manage Program. Enable surfaces across Google. This allows your items to show up on Google search, images, and shopping without running paid ads. If you want to boost visibility, you can run Google Shopping ads. Just connect your Google Ads account in the same plugin and launch a campaign from your WordPress dashboard or Merchant Center. You can set your daily budget, target country, and bidding strategy. Now let's talk about shipping and taxes, which must be clearly set up for Google to approve your products. In WooCommerce, go to settings, then shipping, and set up flat rate or zone based shipping. Make sure your tax settings are active or inclusive. Google requires the data to match what's shown in your product listings. Here are few Here are a few tips to improve performance. Use specific keywords in your product titles like man's leather wallet, brown instead of just wallet. Add clear high resolution images on white backgrounds. Include brand, GTIN, and product categories. Keep inventory updated to avoid rejections. In Google Merchant, you can see summary from summary section. Use under analytics tab. Here you can see the all products analytics. Then click products. You can check the click impressions and CTR. Just click impression and here it is. You can add filter like brand, badge, type, etc. And that's how to connect WooCommerce to Google Shopping in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more WooCommerce tips, and comment below if you want a tutorial on Google Ads or Merchant Center troubleshooting. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.